What's up, guys? We're starting off the video right here. We're back at John's. We got Madeline in the house. Yes, you're gonna be on YouTube, Madeline. Bump some bubbles. Blow some bubbles. Blow some bubbles. Blow some bubbles. Go ahead. They can't hear me. Blow some bubbles. Blow some bubbles. But yeah.
Okay.
Let me see. What is that? There you go. We're back at John's, aka 2J Slay, aka the Jay-Z Slayer, aka I'm along with him, for an update on his Kouki build, because it hasn't been on the channel in who knows how many years.
3 years.
Yeah, it's been some time. Overall, you see the body is still back where he left it, externally at least. Still rocking the BN kit. Here's his exhaust and axles, but we're doing a Z33 rear end swap on this, so he's gonna upgrade that because it's gonna be making a little bit more power than before. And the newest thing, well, we'll get to that in a second, but come on, John, tell him about your. John has become his own fabricator. You know, he's become a built not bought type of guy. That's what we like to see.
I can't afford to fucking take
But he's been slowly but surely
replacing
everything on the front end.
Everything.
So what have you done in the last 3 years, John?
Tube front, lower radiator support, new brake booster, new brake master, new brake lines, new steering rack lines, all the firewall heat shielding, steel lit the entire engine bay,
Stitch weld.
stitch welds, terrible stitch welds.
It looks better than some of the other stuff I see online from these professionals. So you still got the Fortune Auto coils. It's got the Unicorn cut knuckle angle kit, which what I was running before I switched over to FDF.
Redid my whole front chassis harness to braided. Still got to do the rest of these. I still got to braid them.
Who makes the
This
kit?
Humble Engineering.
DIY.
Yeah, he just makes like he sells this with all the things, and you just cut it and weld it in.
Anybody can do it, guys. You just grab his little Harbor Freight welder, Eastwood. Just went to practicing and learning how he goes.
Oh, and since I cut the tubs out and all the support right here, I had to weld these into place to support the dash bar.
Bar.
Yeah, pretty much.
Me. Bling bling. Where you go?
Ran all AN lines from the fuel tank forward, so I have the flex fuel sensor right there with the line. Everything goes underneath to the.
I'm not getting down there, guys.
Yeah.
You can see.
Whole trans tunnel is completely
Yep.
heat shielded.
Looks good.
Pretty much it.
All right, now that we got the chassis all situated, let's get to the most important part. His new engine. New used. Used new.
Yeah.
New to him, used to somebody else.
Yeah.
So what'd you end up doing to this thing, John?
Replace the block with the GE non-VVTi block. Cost efficiency. Had the head redone by the machine shop. They were able to save it, so GTE VVTi turbo head still works fine. New turbo, single turbo instead of got rid of the twins. Radium fuel rail, 1000cc injectors. Shout out to PJ for those. All the radium fuel pressure regulator, fuel pulse damper and everything for it. Pretty much everything you need to run single turbo. And then going standalone this time around. Oh, and then R35 coils from PRP.
Yes, sir.
And Turbo Smart wastegate. Pretty much it. All the coolant lines, oil lines already run. So pretty much ready to drop in once I put the transmission on.
This one was a mild manifold?
Yeah, your old manifold. Your
You're
old
smart.
cast iron manifold.
Still got the same ACT 6-puck unsprung, or this was sprung? No, this one's sprung.
Sprung with the Collins.
Yeah, the Collins adapter.
Yeah, pretty much the Collins like ring adapter.
V1.
It's the non-cut transmission version.
His V1 kit.
Yeah.
And here's his CD.
It never gave us any problems on both of our cars,
Yeah, I
so
didn't have
there's
any
no
problems.
reason to upgrade it.
Nope.
So.
And he also has the Serial 9.
Yep, the original, like that's like one of the first versions.
One.
And then
What Santa are you running?
EMU Black, ECU Masters.
There you go.
And then that was pretty much it.
That's it. Inside still looks the same. My bad.
Yeah.
We're not gonna show what just happened, but inside.
Open it. Everything bolted on.
Yeah, you know, inside it's got one
Pulled
leather
the dash
seat.
again, redid all the wiring under it, put it all back in. OEM factory.
Hey, babe. You getting in? Okay.
And Madeline's.
You gonna drive? You getting in the back?
There's no chair in the back.
Chair.
Oh, okay.
There's a chair back there.
Are you still running the factory cluster, or do you have a digital dash?
Oh yeah, I have a AEM CD5 dash. So same one you got.
Yeah.
Wired to my harness already. So it should be plug and play.
We see. We see.
Fluid damper.
Yep. Fluid damper.
Oil pan baffles already installed in there.
Um,
Stuff you won't see.
Tome. Oil
Yeah,
pan
Tome,
baffle?
oil pan baffle.
Okay.
What else? Pretty much it. Oh, the
The
drive. What is it? Is it drive-by wire or whatever it is? I gutted this, and then I put the drift motion delete since I can actually use it now.
It's filming. We're at 7 minutes.
7 minutes.
7 minutes.
Hey, what's this stuff?
Yeah.
Is this glue?
No, baby.
So what's left before you're ready to put it in? Oh, I said you needed some Loctite ARP.
Yeah, I just need I bought ARP pressure plate bolts, so those are coming in.
Daddy.
Once I bolt up the pressure plate, I can throw the transmission on and we can drop it in.
Dripping gas down there.
No, it's AC stuff.
That's water from the AC, baby.
AC stuff.
Yeah.
Uh,
Is it Pulsar?
Pulsar GTX 3576R Gen 2 with T51 arm on.
Oh, yeah.
That's pretty much it.
That's pretty much it, guys.
Stock block.
Stock block.
I'm not trying to make
Not
crazy
throwing
power.
the big power.
I'm just trying to
Trying to enjoy
reliable.
it so we can finally finish it. We have to get them some more wheels,
Yeah.
get it off the paint, or
Yeah.
maybe a wrap because paint prices are disrespectful these days.
Yeah.
We'll figure that out when that time comes, but he didn't give up, guys. He just had to take a little break. And if anybody knows, when you're building your cars like this, it's not cheap by any means.
Or, I mean, it's time consuming.
And it takes a lot of time too.
Especially when
And
you
the little
have-
one over there is
when you have a
always
family.
asking for it. What do you need, baby?
We have opening this scooter.
But yeah, the old fuel rails, Chase Bay stuff.
Yay.
Still keep this coiler boxes, drive shaft. Still running the Griffin
Gas,
radiator,
Radiator.
the fans.
Have a condenser for the AC because we're gonna put AC in this
Trying to
bitch.
put AC in this thing.
Yep.
That's gonna be the
Definitely putting AC in this.
game changer.
Converting all the AC lines to AN. Basic stuff, or generic AC lines, I should say.
Yeah.
That's it.
So there's the update on John's Kouki.
Getting there.
It'll be revived. Hopefully before the end of the year.
He's Daddy's car.
But he's almost there now because he's got everything he needs.
It's Daddy's car up there.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, we showed Daddy's car. Looks like Daddy's car. What Daddy's car used to look like.
Cartoon banner thing.
Yeah.
It's there's two of them in Daddy's Daddy's room.
2 more in Daddy's room.
And the, like, a purple one.
But yeah, that's gonna be it for the update on John's car. The next video of this thing, this will be installed and hopefully running. Actually, I'll make sure that the next video of this thing, it will be running.
Yeah. It'll
So-
start up with a
Wait, the
startup
video's
tune.
done?
It's not done yet. Do you want to end the video?
No.
You don't want to end the video?
I don't know how to end a video.
You just tell YouTube to like it and to subscribe
Oh,
and to follow.
Whoa, Tommy.
Big truck. Grinding gears. Damn, bro.
He said I.
But all right, guys. I've already said that like 5 times. I keep saying it, but how many minutes are we at?
10:57.
11 minutes.
Huh?
Is that good?
Yes.
All right, say bye to YouTube, baby.
Say bye to the video.
Bye.
Bye. All right, guys. Peace.